In this video, I will be showing you how to talk with NotebookLM using your own uploaded sources. Let's get started. I begin on the home screen and click the Create New button in the top right to start a fresh project. As the notebook is created, a menu pops up giving me several options for adding sources, including web searches, Google Drive files, or direct text input. I click the Upload Files button to select a document from my local storage. I choose the PDF titled AI 1 Page and click Open to begin the import process. On the left side under the Sources tab, I can see the file loading and being analyzed by the system. To start a conversation, I'll click a suggested question about how AI transforms modern industries. The response explains that AI helps analyze medical data in healthcare and automates repetitive tasks in business to improve customer service. Next, I'll select the suggestion regarding the difference between narrow and general AI. NotebookLM clarifies that narrow AI is designed for specific tasks like facial recognition, whereas general AI is a theoretical concept aiming to match human intelligence across all domains. Now, I'll type a custom prompt asking about the core components that allow AI to improve over time. The response explains that AI is powered by algorithms and massive datasets, using machine learning to improve performance without needing to be explicitly programmed for every task. Finally, I'll ask a custom question about AI applications in healthcare, business, and education. The AI synthesizes the information, noting that it assists in diagnosing diseases, streamlining operations, and providing students with personalized learning experiences. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.